Welcome to our channel. Activating a virtual card for direct deposit is straightforward and gives you faster access to your funds. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Sign up for a virtual card through a bank or fintech service that offers this feature. Popular options include online banks, payment apps, and prepaid card providers. Step 2. Download the provider's mobile app or log into their website. Complete the account registration process by providing your personal information. Step 3. Request a virtual card within your account. Navigate to the card section and select the option to generate a new virtual card. Step 4. Your virtual card details will be displayed on the screen, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Save this information securely. Step 5. Locate your account's routing number and account number for direct deposit. This information is typically found in the account details or settings section. Step 6. Provide your employer or benefits provider with the routing number and account number. Fill out their direct deposit authorization form with these details. Step 7. Specify the amount or percentage of your paycheck you want deposited to your virtual card account. You can usually split deposits between multiple accounts if needed. Step 8. Wait for your employer to process the direct deposit setup. This typically takes 1 to 2 pay periods to become active, after which your funds will be deposited directly to your virtual card account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.